how to make a X on your handle when you're lashing. I'm going to get rid of these couple ties here. I've gone past that, don't need them holding it anymore. Okay, so I've made the lash into the slot next to the handle. Okay, so I'm going to come across the back. I'm going to put an X on this to hold it tight. And I'm going to go back in that same hole that is directly to the left of the handle and pull it through. Make sure I don't have any twists in it before I tighten it up. So that's the first part of my X. And this is going to be the second part of my X. And then that will keep me going in the right direction, which is left to right on this. Okay. So there's my X. Okay. And then you can see that the next lash is still going from left to right. All right. Okay, there you go, an X on your handle while you're lashing. Okay, so we've got it all lashed, got our X's on our handles, and what we're doing now is some wheels, and these are a little bit different. They're a bicolored wheel, so let me just weave one here for you so you can see how it looks. You're going to take your weave right underneath there, and it's sort of like a chase Cherokee. How's that? One goes in and the second one follows. And you're going to do about 6 rows around, I think is what I did. So that'd be 3 of white and 3 of blue. And the wheels are done after. They're an embellishment. They're done after the basket's done. So you can see it's pretty easy. I'll just do this next one so you can see how it leads into the next one. Or next one on the next stake. So if I'm counting, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be my last one on this side. And now what we'll do, notice that this one came down, this one will go up to the next one. So I'm going to do the one on the bottom first. Be the blue one. Underneath here. Followed by the white one. And this will always alternate, up or down. And there's the next one. So, and you just continue across the basket, or around the basket. Okay? So this one goes down, this will come up, swirl around, the next one will go down again. There you have it. Hey, it's Jill. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like our videos and subscribe. That way you're always updated on anything basket related that we have on our Jill Choate Basketry channel. You won't miss a thing. Please like us and subscribe.